How to download and install Roblox on PC and laptop in 2026. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more easy PC and gaming tutorials. If you want to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop in 2026, follow these simple steps carefully. First, open any web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Next, search for the official Roblox website and open it. Now, log in to your Roblox account. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and create a free one using your details. Once you are logged in, choose any game you want to play and click on it. After that, click the Play button. Roblox will now ask you to download and install Roblox Player. Click Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open the Roblox setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. The installation usually takes less than 1 minute. Once installed, the game will automatically launch, or you can click Play again from the website. That's it. Roblox is now successfully installed on your PC or laptop. Extra tips. Make sure your Windows or Mac OS is updated. Allow Roblox through your firewall if it doesn't open. Restart your PC if Roblox doesn't launch the first time. Summary. Open browser, sign in to Roblox, click Play, install Roblox Player, start playing. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment Roblox installed below. Important note: avoid websites asking for account logins or personal details just to reveal the code. Those are usually unsafe. That's it. Now you know how to find and apply Undress AI promo codes safely and correctly. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment discount below.